Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarabindam.
The sage Shaunak said, "The womb of Uttara, mother of Maharaj Parikṣit, was spoiled by the dreadful and invincible Brahmastra weapon released by Ashvathama, but Maharaj Parikṣit was saved by the Supreme Lord." The sages assembled in the forest of Naimisharanya inquired from Sutta Goswami about the birth of Maharaj Parikṣit, but in the course of the narration other topics like the release of the Brahmastra by the son of Dron, his punishment by Arjun, Queen Kunti Devi's prayers, the Pandav's visit to the place where Bhishmadev was lying, his prayers and thereafter the Lord's departure for Dvaraka were discussed. His arrival at Dvaraka and residing with the 16,000 queens, etc., were narrated. The sages were absorbed in hearing such descriptions, but now they wanted to turn to the original topic, and thus the inquiry was made by Shaunak Rishi. So the subject of the release of the Brahmastra weapon by Ashvathama is renewed.